By adopting AWS, not only as our cloud infrastructure provider, but really using those technologies integrated with our development process, it's allowed our development teams, our product teams, to advance our core products for our clients at a very rapid pace that we would not have been able to do otherwise.
What makes LoanLogics unique is that we automate the entire loan quality process. So we eliminate completely spreadsheets and the need for stare and compare. LoanLogics processes on average over 350,000 mortgage loans a month. So you're talking about 353 million unique documents that we process through our data centers.
Before moving to the cloud, we had 6 data centers total before we finally found a home at AWS.
We needed to scale and scale rapidly our storage demands, and we just couldn't do that with our VMware vSphere deployment that we had with traditional disk-attached units. We were in a situation with a very large pending client deal where we knew we had to scale and scale rapidly. We were able to do that with an AWS Storage Gateway. We implemented that literally in a day to a day and a half, whereas the hardware orders at our managed services data center were going to take weeks. And that was really our first foray into AWS.
We were severely hampered through infrastructure. This company grew very quickly and continues to grow very quickly.
We were in a situation where we had a very mission critical need, and that was a need to expand our storage. We were getting into processing some very high volume loan servicing transfer type of business that is really variable. At the time, AWS was rolling out the EFS product. Our underlying applications have a strong dependency on NFS. With the development and introduction of EFS, that really gave us all of the same elasticity and growth that S3 provides, but in an NFS-based file system that we were able to adopt with really actually no code changes to our applications whatsoever.
With EFS or Elastic File System, the worry that goes away is worrying about how much space you have left. There's no longer that limit or that fear. We know what we want, we'll build what we want.
The biggest benefit of our migration to AWS is the agility that it allows us to have when it comes to scaling, whether it be in storage or processing environment.
We've been able to become one of the fastest growing software companies because of that ability to scale. So that's meant top line revenue growth faster than we were able to achieve before.
So kudos to the AWS engineers that designed EFS. It was one of the easiest features we've ever implemented, and it really saved our company.
One of the key things at LoanLogics is we're all about innovation. We lead innovation in our space. And having a company like AWS that we can innovate together with is exciting. Because as new things come out continually at AWS, it helps us to think outside the box. This past year, May of 2018, we are completely in the cloud with AWS.